Welcome to this lesson on personal pronouns in object form. In this video, you will learn how to use the object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. These pronouns are essential for speaking English correctly and naturally. Here are all the object pronouns in English. In the singular form, we have me, you, him, her, and it. In the plural form, we have us, you, and them. Notice that some pronouns like you remain the same in both singular and plural forms. Object pronouns receive the action in a sentence. They answer the questions who or what after a verb. For example, in the sentence, I love you, the word you is an object pronoun because it receives the action of loving. In the sentence, she gave us a gift. Us is the object pronoun that receives the action of giving. Let's look at common examples of object pronouns being used. We can say, call me tonight. Here, me is the object pronoun. We can say, I like you. Here, you is the object pronoun. She saw him uses him as the object pronoun, while I helped her uses her. Take it with you uses it as the object pronoun. They called us yesterday uses us, and I saw them at the park uses them. It is important to understand the difference between subject pronouns and object pronouns. The subject pronoun I becomes me in object form. The subject pronoun he becomes him. The subject pronoun she becomes her. The subject pronoun we becomes us. The subject pronoun they becomes them. However, you and it remain the same in both subject and object forms. Here are 4 essential rules to remember about object pronouns. First, place object pronouns after the verb or preposition. Second, use me, not I, when you are receiving the action. Third, use him, her, us, and them when referring to specific people. Fourth, remember that you and it stay the same whether they are subject pronouns or object pronouns. Many learners make mistakes with object pronouns. One common error is saying, she gave I a book, when it should be, she gave me a book. Another mistake is saying, they saw him and I, when it should be, they saw him and me. A third error is saying between you and I when the correct form is between you and me. Remember, always use the object pronoun form after verbs and prepositions. Let's review the key points from this lesson. Object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. They receive the action and follow verbs or prepositions. Use them when answering the question, who receives the action? A helpful practice tip is to replace nouns with object pronouns to make your speech sound more natural. For example, instead of saying, call Sarah, you can say, call her. Now you understand how to use object pronouns correctly in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.